Hey guys, it's day one in Mombasa, and we arrived yesterday so late, and we had not booked this apartment that we are in, so we had to just come and source for a room at that time, at the middle of the night. But I think God just, not even I think, God just planned our trip, and so far so good because we've met people along the way that were so helpful. Our border guy yesterday, like everything Elijah aligned too. So we are here at is it the Prime Comfort Apartments and Hotel. It's a studio apartment. So I had seen this apartment kwa Airbnb, but I didn't book it. But I think when you just come yourself, sorry, when you just come yourself, it's easier that way when you're looking for a room. That's if you're not going to a particular hotel. We have booked a hotel in Diani that we are going to go to today, but because we arrived late, we saw it fit to just come and sleep over. This SGR experience was amazing. I'm going to talk about it in just an entire maybe video, detailing just how the journey was, how I found the experience, and yeah. But before that, the room is kind of disorganized because I couldn't vlog yesterday night. But let me just give you a sneak peek of the room tour. But I've loved the room. I will give it. Let me not rate it, but you just see for yourself. We didn't unpack anything because we were leaving the next day. Yeah, and they even gave us bottles of water, of course, soap and other toiletries. So the fan was working, the hot shower was working, and I didn't mention, but they have a pool. It's down there. I'm going to show you the outside view of the place. I think it's here. Can you see it? Added another 500 bob for the breakfast, so we paid 3,000 for the entire room plus the breakfast for two people. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to show you today the activities of the day. And till next time, this is Maisha Chapters. Subscribe.